Hi everyone, in this video we will review Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate. Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate is a budget-friendly supplement currently priced at $16.97, making it one of the more affordable creatine options available. Each container includes 500 grams of micronized creatine monohydrate, with 5 grams per serving and a scoop included. The micronized formula is designed to mix more smoothly and support better absorption compared to older coarse powders. It's promoted as a simple pre or post workout supplement to help improve strength, endurance, and overall training performance. The price is one of the strongest advantages. There's also a subscription option that allows buyers to lock in small automatic savings for repeat delivers. On Amazon, the same product is typically listed at around $20, which still keeps it competitively priced compared to many premium brands. For anyone looking for straightforward creatine without paying for heavy marketing, this product stands out for value. Looking at Amazon customer reviews, feedback is mostly positive. Many buyers say the powder quality is consistent and that they notice improved workout performance over time. Several users mention that it is mixed fairly well with water or juice and does not have a strong, unpleasant flavor. However, opinions are mixed in certain areas. Some customers find the taste slightly sweet, while others report that it does not fully dissolve and leaves residue at the bottom. Digestive response also varies. Many report no stomach issues, but a smaller group mentions mild discomfort or heartburn. Overall, Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate appears to be a solid, low-cost option for basic creatine supplementation. It delivers expected results for most users and offers strong value for the price, while minor mixing or digestion concerns are mentioned by some buyers. There are no major warning signs. For those seeking an affordable and simple creatine product, it looks more like a smart buy than a hidden risk. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.